Hi, this is Chaz with FSR, and we'd like to do a quick walkthrough of our booth here at Infocom 2023, show off some of our new products. First product we're going to show you is an updated version of our award-winning CB22 ceiling box. This is the new Plus model. We are having the Plus model in all the CB22 models, and we've made a significant number of upgrades. First thing that we want to look at is the mounting points for the box. We found that most of our customers use threaded rod to mount the boxes into the ceiling. So we've integrated the mounting points right into the box itself. This does several things for us. First thing, it increases the load capacity of box. We put up to 40 pounds of equipment inside the box. And in our P model, which we're going to look at in a minute, which stands for pole mount, we've increased our capacity up to a 100-pound projector. So it significantly increased the amount of equipment and weight that the box can handle.